Green, green, green.
Simon Pagenaud, the pole sitter in the bright yellow Menard Chevrolet, gets a terrific start.
So we're talking secrets now. Well, we all analyze, I think every driver's analyze where their car is strong, where they're strong driving wise compared to another driver. And the goal is to understand that so you know if you have an opportunity to pass where it's going to be. That's really the game to play. And also knowing your weakness is another thing, so you can defend and prepare a defend situation if need be. Personally, I always feel very comfortable leading. Like I said, it's the easiest part in racing. Chasing is fun too, but it's just not the position you want to be in. You want to be ahead. Managing a gap is interesting also. When we race in the US, there's a lot of safety car, and safety cars mean that your lead is over. So, you know, you want to be ahead by 2 seconds, 3 seconds. There's really no gain to be ahead by 30 seconds. That's just not going to do much for you. You're going to burn your tires to do that, burn your fuel. So, you know, managing that gap of 2 seconds to me is a good situation. But like I said, the best situation is to be up front because you're controlling. When you're ahead of someone, you know your strengths, you know your weaknesses, and you can see in the mirror where the guy is strong and where he's going to attack you. So then you can make the car a little wider. You can change your line a little bit to screw with his head and try to get him into your rhythm. It's when he's controlling you that's the bad news. So you don't want to drive in your mirrors, but you want to use those in a smart way to take some clean air off of his front wing and use his tires by not giving him that clean air. So it's a very tricky thing to do without blocking, and that's where you're always walking on that fine line.
Hit a drive there, buddy. Awesome job. You're the man.
I believe we led most of the race, so the car was just on rail. The yellows came out perfectly. So I'm just focused on the job, man. It's when you have a car like this, a team like this, you just work your way, and it's all about achieving and executing at the end. So we did execute perfectly today, no mistakes like we talked about, and here we are in Victoria Lane, man. We did it!